on the floor. What am I talking about? I like to look like this, not like that. I don't know how I feel about it. 0.02, 0.03, 0.05, 0.07, 0.15. You know what? I might be lying. It might not be. What is up, YouTube? I am back. I know I am a day late. I mentioned it in my last video, which thank you so much for everyone who watched it. Something has been happening every time I pick up my vlogging camera, and this time it was no exception. I was at the zoo all day, so if I look a little crazy, that's why. I was trying to upload a video, okay? Like, I really was trying. Unfortunately, long story short, my computer's running out of storage. I thought I had imported all my vlog footage that was in my SD card to my computer, and I didn't. I put my SD card back into my camera and formatted the card. That footage is now lost, so here we are. After the zoo, I went to ice skating lessons. Can you see, or is it too bright? I need actually to go to Nashville to get ice skates because I'm using the rentals, and obviously I don't have specific ones just for me, like my own personal ice skates. So sometimes like the blades are not sharp enough, sometimes they fit a little weird. All of the instructors at my ice house go to Nashville to get their ice skates heat molded to their feet, and I'm gonna do that in the near future. But now we're here in the Lash studio. It looks a little off because I rolled up my carpet to clean it and also to like mop and just deep clean the studio. So I am going to be putting, it's right here, the carpet. I'm gonna be putting that on the floor. What am I talking about? And I also got a package from Lightheart that I want to open with you guys. I'm so excited. I ordered a merch shirt. I haven't had Lash merch in a hot minute. All of my like Lash merch is from Dollhouse, and I would get them like a little fitted. I got this t-shirt, super oversized, so freaking cute. This is actually a size extra large. It says girls just wanna get lashes. And you know what this song reminds me of? The off-campus song. It's like girls just want to have fun. This song, girls just want to dance, girls just want to have fun. Girls by the Kid Leroy from Off Campus. It's so freaking cute. And then I just ordered a bunch of lashes. All I use is Lightheart's 0.03 lashes. They are seriously the best lashes. They're fawn lashes, they're C-curl, D-curl. Before, I didn't really like their C-curl. I felt like it was too tight compared to Dollhouse lashes, but now I actually really like them, and I'm kind of transitioning to only Lightheart lashes. In my next video, I want to do a all about 0.03 lashes and just give like my honest opinion about 0.3 lashes, why I only use 0.3 lashes, and just kind of like an updated all about lashes video. That's one of my like most viewed video. You know what? I might be lying, it might not be, but I constantly get comments on that video saying that I helped so many people, and I just want to do an updated one because I talked about all the diameters like 0.02, 0.03, 0.05, 0.07, 0.15. I don't use 0.15 or 0.07 at all. I haven't used those in years because all I use is 0.03 lashes. Like, these are the bomb.com. And the packaging, so freaking cute. It has a little gold magnetic closure here. It says Lightheart here. On the top it has the curl, the diameter, and the length. Here we go. What is this one? 0.03 C curl, 14 mm, and it looks like this. So easy to like pick up off the strip because it has like this like little hollow area here where your tweezers just fit perfectly. It has a little sparkle, and then behind the lash strips, when you use them all up, you can actually remove the backing, and it says your lash artist loves you. And Lightheart also has like little mirror inserts that you can add here to give your guests, which I love these trays so freaking much. I feel like I've been coming on here looking extra crazy. I just got done with hot Pilates, and I was thinking to myself, Jess, you were supposed to upload this vlog that you're currently watching last week, and I didn't, obviously. So let me just extend it because it was going to be super short. Since you guys heard me mention I deleted a lot of my vlog footage, so here we are. I'm going to bring you along my day today. I need to get my nails done, I need to get my lashes done, but first I need to go home, take a full body shower, blow dry my hair, and update. I got my second Instagram account back, my Jesicavxo account. That one is long gone. My Jessica Lashes account, I think, is also long gone, but I did create new Instagrams, which was Jesica.lashes, which is currently disabled, and I'm going to try to work on getting that one back since I was able to get my Jesica.vxo account. I don't have high hopes because these accounts did get disabled 2 weeks into me having them. I wish for the best, but I don't have high hopes. So yeah, little update for you guys. I am so sweaty, I'm stinky. Let me go home and shower, and I'll see you guys in a couple seconds. Hey friends, I am here about to get my nails done. They are way overdue. Can you see them? These were my birthday nails. I'll post some pictures here of like my nails up close and then just like my outfit for my birthday, but I'm gonna do a quick transition like on TikTok, like a before and after of my nails. I'm gonna do something so much more simple. These were actually a little overstimulating, not gonna lie, because of all the textures and like all the designs. It was a little much. I'm gonna turn the air up so I can have like my hair moving. I put it on 10 seconds. Okay, I think that is gonna do. And then we'll get the other clip when we get done. I'll see you in a bit. Look how they came out. Let me do, oh, sorry. Let me finish the transition TikTok. I did in fact just move my car from over there to here because I was not gonna walk to Ulta from all the way over there if I did not have to. It is too dang hot. I need to get my face wash. I'm running very low, and because I'm on my period, you guys, I am breaking out and I need my face wash. Y a ver qué más se nos pega. The Too Faced Peach collection. If you guys have never smelled it, this is so delicious. This is what is this? It's a little face powder. Let me show you guys. It smells divine. I have like the little eyeshadow palette, like a face powder. You roll it to dispense the perfect amount, I guess, but sniff it. It smells so good. This is definitely not made for me. I like to look like this, not like that. Hydrates. Okay, so this is hydrating. I like to look matte. Quick haul of what I got at Ulta. I went in there for my face wash. This is the one that I love to use. It is so gentle on my skin and it removes all of my makeup. I double cleanse with this bad boy. And then se me pegó algo for the kids. I got Aaliyah the little bubble 3-step cleanser, treat, moisturize, and for Rudy the e.l.f. one, which is the step 1 cleanse, icon vitamin C serum, hydration, and then sunscreen. So I got them some little skincare kits and then just some little pimple patches because we love pimple patches in my household. That car almost crashed into me. It's now a different day. I am about to go get my lashes done. I didn't get them done yesterday. I'm just quickly lint rolling my leggings because they are full of lint. After my lash appointment, you are going to come with me to my ice skating lessons, and after that I need to go do a quick little Target trip for some stuff for the studio, like snacks, Clorox wipes, tissues. I think that's all I need. So let me go get my lashes done and I'll see you guys in a couple seconds. Ready to see my lashes? They look so freaking good. I love full, thick, decurl lashes. I just love them. I put on my long sleeve because it gets so cold inside, but I don't know if I should put my t-shirt on over because I'm wearing leggings, and I personally don't like to be tight and tight. I like loose, tight, loose, tight. Do you get what I'm saying? And right now I have like super tight leggings and I don't know how I feel about it. I'm just gonna take my shirt in my bag, and if I feel uncomfortable I'll just throw it on. But I have my earmuffs, I have my gloves because it gets so cold in there. Let's go. I love your outfit. You're welcome. A little bit hard for me.
I would say a good sign that you're ready to do a crossover is that you feel balanced with these two elements for like a few, like 3 to 4 seconds.
Ice skating lessons are over. I am now at Target. I have a list of things that I need to get, so I need to stick to the plan because I have really bad cramps right now and I'm very tired. I'm in level 4 with ice skating, which is amazing. I've been skipping levels so quickly because I feel like with my roller skating and then just like ice skating every Christmas, it's just like kind of second nature. So like these, what are they called? Like stunts, levels, these tricks, elements, these skills, the skills that you need to learn to like skip levels, I have been like learning pretty quickly. I'm on level 4 like I mentioned, and I showed you guys a little bit of like what that entails, like what I need to learn to go to level 5, which level 4 is a little difficult, not gonna lie. Going backwards is just something that is very difficult and I'm not comfortable at all just yet, but I will be pretty soon. I made a list of things that I need for the studio. I need tissues, I need Clorox wipes. I should have ordered those on Amazon. I didn't, so I'm just gonna get them right now. I need snacks, meaning like chips, pink Starburst. I'm gonna get some mini sodas, mini Dr. Peppers, and that's all the things that I need for the studio. I'm also going to get Rudy's dentist. Like Rudy does an internship every Thursday, and this Thursday is his last day going to the internship at the dentist office, and I just want him to give the dentist like a little gift, a card to say thank you so much for letting him intern during the summer. It was actually a successful Target trip. I went in and out really quickly, just got what I needed, and I was out of there. I still have major cramps. I'm gonna go home, gonna edit this vlog so I can upload it tomorrow. I am a day late, but like I mentioned earlier, I wanted to extend the vlog because if I would have uploaded it last week, it would have just been the clips in the beginning of this video of me in the studio unboxing Lightheart and just like chit-chatting a little bit. It would have been so short, so I'm glad I did postpone it. I am trying to get back in the rhythm of things, of uploading more content and more educational, fun content for you guys. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. And until then, bye my loves.